Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see the top 3 methods to download and play Minecraft for free on our system. So for the first method, we will need to have the Xbox app. If you don't have Xbox app installed on your system, you can go to Microsoft Store and search for Xbox. You'll see a bunch of options. You need to install this one that just says Xbox. In my case, this is already installed, so it is giving me the open option. In your case, if this is not installed, you will see install option. You can open Xbox and you need to sign into this Xbox app. So as you can see, I'm already signed in as this Happy Pelican user. And once you are logged in, you can close this, go to this URL. I'll have this link in the description below. Click on your appropriate operating system. Since I'll click on Windows, and here you will see an option that says free trial. In my case, I'm seeing install 2. You own this because I've already clicked on free trial. So what you can do is, after clicking on free trial, you'll see this option and just click on this. And now click on launch, click on open, and your Xbox app will open. And here you can just click on install, click next, click install. And now as you can see, Minecraft is being installed. Now once this is successfully installed, you'll be able to play Minecraft for free. Now this is a free trial, so you can only play for 100 hours or 5 days. If you want to play Minecraft free for eternity, what you can do is you can open your browser and go to classic.minecraft.net. Now this is an online player, and for this you need a mouse and a keyboard. Now here you can write your name, and keep in mind that you cannot play this in your phone because you need a keyboard and a mouse. Click on start. And as you can see, I can just start playing Minecraft. So this is permanently free, but it is classic version, so you won't see a lot of newer features in this version. So these are the 2 ways to download and play Minecraft for free. But another tip for you is, if you have an Office 365 education account, if that is the case, what you can do is you can close this and go to education.minecraft.net. If you have any of those accounts, you can just download this and install it on your system and play it for free. So these are the few methods showing you how you can install and play Minecraft for free on your system. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.